The Product Labels by Tag function allows you to search for and tag multiple products you wish to add to the label queue or print labels for immediately. The Product Labels by Tag window can be launched from the Labels by Tag icon in the Stock Manager module or by clicking Labels in the Product Maintenance window. In the Product Labels by Tag selection window, select what you would like to sort the list by in the drop-down menu, and depending on your selection, narrow the range of products to view if required. Click OK, and the Product Labels by Tag window will display the products from the range that you have specified. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the pages, or click Find and search by product name, number, barcode, or PDE. Select the product that you would like to print shelf labels for and click Tag. Specify how many labels you would like to print and click OK. Repeat this until you have tagged all products that are required. To print the tagged labels immediately, click Print. Specify the label type and ensure Show Prices is ticked to print the retail price on the label. Then click OK. Select the printer and printing options required in the Print Options window and click Start to begin printing the labels. To send the tagged labels to the label queue to be printed later, click Queue. The tagged products will now appear in the label queue.